So, about 5 minutes later, here's what the stuff looks like. And see that stuff in the center isn't really being affected now that you got a solid wall of cooked particles of resin. So I'm going to turn this thing off and unplug this. Now this is kind of interesting. What I'm going to do is uh, get that blanket of stuff off the wall of the jug, let it settle, and do the process again. So that's what it looks like inside. Can't really sort of see it. Anyway, I got this brush that you can form to whatever the contour is that you want. Now, some might think that you can just filter it at this point, and I haven't been able to do that, and here's why. This stuff is like oatmeal, and as soon as it hits a filter, it clogs the filter up. So much for the filter. And when you're doing this much of a volume, you can't, you would go through a stack of painter filter gadgets to. Wait, I'm just trying to get the bottom there. This is why I'm converting to all pickle jars, because these jugs suck. You can't really clean them. So anyway, I should be wearing gloves. Sorry. And so there you have it. All that stuff will sort of come down. I'm going to get about like 20 minutes to settle down.